Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Today I have my first Stitch Fix of the year. I took January off, and you can believe it or not, I only ended up buying one piece of clothes in January, and that was from Nordstrom. I did try on some things for you guys, but I didn't actually buy anything. I am trying really hard to stick with only things that I love. I also really welcome and appreciate honest feedback from you guys. So if it really doesn't look good, please tell me. I really am trying to only buy things that are absolute 100% love, love, love. I will fail along the way, but I am trying to be better at only buying things I really love. I will say they did not listen to my note, but I still have two pieces in here that I'm really excited to try, and I'm excited to see the other ones, but there are two in particular that I'm really excited about. I don't even remember. Yeah, I think I had that up there. So this is my fix. I left probably an unorthodox note, basically saying I want a more expensive fix. They did not listen. I also said I did not want long sleeves, and they did not listen. But I basically left a thing saying that I would be gladly pay $80 for a top if it was good fabric, good cut, looked good, etc., good quality. I feel like I understand Stitch Fix is kind of like between a rock and a hard place. There for a minute, their prices were getting a little bit higher, and so I get it. Some people want lower prices, some people want higher prices, but I feel like here lately, they've been really thin fabrics. They're not cut well. They don't drape well. And yes, they're under $50, so they're like a $35 top, a $40 top. I would rather pay double if it looked awesome. Anyway, so I am excited to see what we have. I did size up to extra, extra large. I really feel like Stitch Fix's sizes are also wonky. I have several pieces I kept from like 2 or 3 years ago that are extra large, fit just fine. I'm having a real trouble getting extra large to fit at Stitch Fix. Anyway, first piece my stylist chose. Now, she would not know this, but I have a top similar that I got from Maurice's. So this is a black top, and it has the see-through sleeve, and I like it. I own one very similar. I think my see-through sleeve has like the Swiss dots, whereas this is kind of a zigzag pattern. So I like the shirt. I basically own the shirt. It is a super soft fabric. I highly doubt I'll keep it just because I already have one. This is by Beacon, the Page long sleeve knit top, black, extra, extra large. And this is $44. So I'm excited to see it. Mine is 3/4 length sleeve, but again, I don't think I'll need 2 of these, but I do really like it, and it is very soft fabric. Next one, she chose as well. It is a long sleeve. It is a navy blue with this, I guess, crochet detail only on one side, which doesn't really bother me. This fabric feels like rayon, and I just don't really do rayon. So this is 100% rayon. In my experience, it shrinks. There are hacks, but in my experience, those hacks only work for 3 or 4 washes. So I'm interested to see what this looks like. Oh, it has little tassels, which it's not a deal breaker, but for whatever reason, I'm kind of out of the tassel phase. Like, they're not my favorite. But these are cute. They have like a little faux wooden bead. This is Mason and Bell. Again, extra, extra large. Grayson tie detail top. $49. So I'm excited to see that. I don't mind a long sleeve as much. Right now, we are definitely in a cold snap here. There's about 2 months out of the year where I wear long sleeves, and that tends to be December, January. Very quickly, we will be coming out of that, and we will not be wearing long sleeves. So I did ask for no long sleeves, which I know I probably confused them. Oh, I will also say my first preview was terrible. My second preview, I only picked this one. This is an item that was I had liked, I had saved, and so I probably confused them because this is long sleeve. This is a very soft fabric. I like the fabric. This kind of burgundy red really looks good on me, and I have none of it in my wardrobe. I was really sad on my Stitch Fix Shop Your Look that I didn't fit. So I definitely want more of this color. This is super, super soft. This is a Daniel Rain. I am excited to see what it looks like. I don't think I've ever had a Daniel Rain be this soft. This is the LS Embroidery Yoke Detail Knit. This is $68. And it is just super soft. I like the fabric. I don't think it's going to pill. Anyway, so I'm excited to see this. I hope this is just a knock it out of the park. The next thing I am also super excited about, and I'm going to jinx myself. I'll be shocked if they're not keepers. They are red pants. I have been wanting colored pants, and they are a maroon, and I envision wearing them with my Maurice's top. That's like that first one I showed you. The reason I feel like I will keep these is because I've had this brand before. I own a pair right now, so I would think they're going to fit and look nice. But now that I've said that, it's going to jinx it. And for some reason, sometimes when they're like the same brand, different color, they fit different. But this is the 151 in a size 14. They have a super stretchy waistband. They are the comfiest work pants ever. I will say my first pair, I would buy them over again, but they do, I don't know what the word is, deteriorate over time. So they're not like the longest lasting, but I definitely got my use out of them. And I bought another pair replacement, and I've got my use out of them. This is only $49 for a pair of work pants. I hope they fit. I hope they fit like the ones I already own. So I really like them. If you need stretch to accommodate stomachs and whatnot, I really recommend looking at the 151. This is the Inslee High Rise Long Inseam. Oh gosh. Well, I hope we're not like a 33-inch inseam. Wow, we seem to be on like the, I guess, complaint train for Stitch Fix. Here lately, a lot of their jeans are 33 inseam. I am super tall, and I am not a 33-inch inseam. I don't know who they're trying to get to, but I see a lot of like 27-inch inseam and a lot of 33. I don't want any of that. So I hope these fit, and these will absolutely be a keeper. And then I don't need these, but they sent a pair of jeans. If they fit perfectly, I am always in the market for jeans. It is hard to find jeans that fit. At this point, though, I am lucky enough. I normally have like one pair of jeans. I think at this point, I have 5 pairs of jeans, which is a record for me. One of them is a black pair, so I'm not sure they count. So I don't really need a pair of regular denim. These would have to be fit like a glove, knock it out of the park to keep it. These are Cosmic Blue Love Lori High Rise, size 14. They are $98. I do have a Cosmic Blue Love in a light wash. Actually, I take that back. Almost all of my jeans are a lighter wash, and I prefer a darker wash. So if these fit like a glove, I would definitely keep them just because they are dark wash, and I need that. They do look like a really nice high rise. They have a lot of stretch. I had a lot of luck with my first pair of Cosmic Blue Love. They've worn nice. I really liked them. Yeah, I hope these fit. Other than that first top, I technically already own in a different brand. I don't know. I don't ever get 5 for 5, so I also feel like I'm jinxing myself, but I like everything. If I kept, everything, if I kept everything, it only cost $211. I feel like that's a stellar price for 5 pieces, 2 pairs of pants, 3 tops. The chances of that happening are like lightning striking, but you never know. Anyway, let's get to the best part, which is the try on. All right, I am back with the first top, and I do like it. I love the V-neck. I actually really like the see-through sleeves. I like the, I don't know, I guess I'm sure it's a pattern. I don't know if it's chevron, but I like it. But again, I have a similar top. I also do think this top is cut well. It is a little bit longer than I would like. And let's see, this is the Beacon Page long sleeve top, $44. I just don't know if I need it. Now, the pants, I feel like jinx myself. These are a 14. The current pants I have from them are a 16. And these fit really nice in my leg and my butt. But they are big muffin top. The zipper went right down. It does not stay zippered. So the stomach, they do not fit. I need to try on my other pair because I honestly haven't worn them for quite a bit since I got those black jeans. and see. I have a feeling the 16s are gonna fit my stomach, but be too big in the button thigh. I am really sad about that. I could have really, I'm sorry, I'm moving you back a little bit. I could have really used some red pants. And I know on camera they're looking really nice, but my stomach, they don't zip and they don't fit. And I'm really afraid the next size up would be too big in the button thighs. So I could, well actually I need to try with my button extender and see if that helps. But they are very tight at the waist, and the zip scares me. I zip it up, it goes right back down, so I almost feel like the zip has something wrong with it. But man, I am so bummed about these pants. I would wear these to work on Monday for sure. And I do like the top. I just have one basically identical. All right, let's go to the next pieces. All right, I am back with the next two pieces. I am not a fan. I don't know, for whatever reason, I'm not a fan of the neckline. I don't think tying the tassels will help. I mean, kind of. I'm not a fan of the neckline. I would not want to wear it like that. And for some reason, when it goes like that, it's just not, I'm not a fan of the neckline. I don't mind the top. I'm not a super fan of the white embroidery just because I think it draws your eyes to my stomach. It's not a bad top at all. It's just not, I am not, I love it. So this is an easy no. Let's see. This one is the Mason & Bell Grayson tie detail top. It does fit, like it is, you know, draping all of that. It's just not, I don't love it. Especially this up here is just something of a deal breaker. Now, the pants, I need your help. These are the Cosmic Blue Love. They do fit, but they're a very big, I would say bell bottom. Like they're very flare at the bottom. And so I don't know. I do also feel like they're slightly baggy. I'm more of a boot cut or a slight flare. It just feels like there's a lot of fabric down here. And so I don't know. On one hand, I do think they fit really nice. I mean, they fit my stomach. They seem to fit my button thighs really nice. They are dark wash. They are $100 though. So that's, you know, I don't know. I do like that they're dark wash. I just don't know for $98. If they were $68, I'd probably consider them without much hesitation. I just don't know. What do you guys think? How do they look? I'm also trying to decide. My other Cosmic Blue stretch a little bit, not too much. I do feel like these are almost like the perfect fit. If they were just a little less fabric. I don't know. What do we think? I just feel like there's a lot of fabric down here and that kind of bugs me. I don't know. I could use your help. Again, this is just bugging me. Let's go to the last top. Fingers crossed. All right, I am back with the top. I think it's the winner. It is so soft. I love the color. I love the V-neck. I really love the embroidery. And so for me, I think this top is the winner. I would love to know what you guys think. I don't have anything like it. So this is the Daniel Rain, which I'm not sure whether I said. And I think it fits perfectly. Like, I don't know. This could go maybe a hair more down. But honestly, I really like it. And this is so soft. I love how soft the fabric is. So I feel like this is, the top is the winner. I will be wearing this on Monday to work, no questions. I think I'm gonna pass on the pants. Would love your feedback. I will say, just wearing them, they do seem like they might stretch in the butt. I think the pants are a close, had they been a little cheaper or not so much fabric, but let me know. Am I making the right call, do you think? I do like the pants. I feel like the pants are kind of like that Target dress. They're like a 95% there, but I really want 100%. So let me know, what do you guys think? But I'm pretty sure this is the top I am getting. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.